Good day to everyone. In this lecture, let's see what is Armstrong number. A number which results the same number when each digit is raised to the power of number of digits. Armstrong number is also referred as narcissistic number. Let's see the practical example. Let's consider a number 153. It has three digits. So let's raise the power 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, which is 1 plus 125 plus 27, and the result is 153. Sum of cube of given number is equal to given number. Let's consider a different example. Let's take the number 154, which has again three digits. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 4 cube, which is 1 plus 125 plus 32. The answer is 158. Sum of cube of value is not equal to given number. And this is not an Armstrong number. Hope you are clear with Armstrong number. Now, who discovered Armstrong number? Edwin Howard Armstrong is the person discovered Armstrong number. He is an electrical engineer. Let's see the real-time applications of Armstrong number. Armstrong number is used to create strong algorithm for data security. It is also used in encryption and decryption of data. Armstrong number plays a great role in cybersecurity. Let's create a program to find Armstrong number. Python file. Let's say armstrong.py. Let's define a variable to get the input number. Let's say value integer of input. Let's say enter the number. Let's find the length of number to determine the digit. Let's say power is equals to length of, let's convert the value to string to find length, string of value. Let's print and see. $153. Let's print the power. The length should be 3. The length is 3. So we're going to apply this power to every variable of input value. Let's initiate a value to 0. Let's say Armstrong as arm equal to 0. Let's define for loop. For row in string of value. Let's print and see the row. This would print individual value of input number 1, 5 and 3. Since it is an integer, for loop will not print the variable. It would throw error. That's where I'm converting integer into string. Let's define the logic. Within the loop, I'm gonna add the variable every time until end of the loop. Plus equal to integer of row to the power of power. Let's say if value equal to arm, then print Armstrong number. Else print not an Armstrong number. So we're gonna input a value, get the length of the value to understand the number of digits. And I'm initiating a variable to 0. I'm defining a for loop where I'm adding the variable to its power until the end of the loop. And I'm checking if the initial value which we defined is equal to the result of arm variable. If the value is equal, then it is Armstrong number. If the value is not equal, then it is not an Armstrong number. Let's execute and check. 153. It is an Armstrong number. Let's execute again and define a different number. 154. Not an Armstrong number. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.